What's up, YouTube? This is Bullseye Nate 231, and today we're up under the hood of a 2011 Chevy Express 3500. So I'm going to be changing the low beam headlight. So the bulb code for the low beam headlight is 9006. So the headlight low beam is going to be the one on the outside here. So this is the passenger side, so that's the one we're changing today. The other one seems to be working good. I went ahead and bought the double pack because a lot of times the other bulb is right behind it. So let's go ahead and jump right in. But the low beam is actually braced between the fender there, and so there's no way to twist it and pull it out. So I'm actually going to have to go ahead and disconnect the light. So in order to do this, you're going to use a 10 millimeter. So we're just going to run these 2 bolts out, and this headlight should just pop right out. All right, so once we remove the 2 bolts that hold the headlight on, you can see the low beam is right here. The high beam is the one you could reach without taking the light out. When you're pulling this light out, this kind of gets in the way. So you just got to make it kind of go around this little piece right here. Just hold it the right way. But to get this bulb out, all you do is twist. Like so. And then the light comes right out. And then we'll pop the new one to release this clip. All you do is pull this tab up and pull the light out and push the new one in. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. All right, so once we get the new bulb, just be sure not to touch the actual glass on the bulb because the oils on your hands can lessen the life of the bulb. So we'll go ahead and plug this in and then put it back in. All right, so once we get the bulb back plugged in, we're going to line up the holes with the grooves, and then you're going to push this in and twist like so, so that it's in the upright position. And then we're ready to place the headlight back in its place so we can bolt it back in. All right, so once we got it snugged back up, the only other thing we got to do is turn it on and make sure it works. All right, and there we have it. That is how you change the low beam bulb on a 2011 Chevy Express 3500. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel for more videos.